Hey guys, what's happening? How to enable timeline in Google Maps. To enable timeline in Google Maps, open the app, type your profile icon at the top right. Under your profile, you're gonna see your timeline button. Press it to move on. All right. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit review settings highlighted in green, a little bit of green, right? And then you're gonna see timeline needs to be on. So the status is on, but if it's off, just hit the button timeline and it will take you to the settings right away. You don't have to go to, location or anything, as long as your location is enabled for Google Maps, you gave them permission, you're gonna be able to just control that timeline. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down. You're gonna find the timeline right here, and as you can see, it is turned on, right? So it's turned on. And in your case, if it's turned off, you could just go ahead and hit the turn off or turn on button instead of turn off, and just hit turn on. Okay, so as it requires location history to be active in your Google account to save your movement. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.